Hi, I'm Maria and I was asked to talk about my dental journey with Straight Teeth Direct. Well, I gotta tell you that is not what I expected at all. Because when I first decided to go ahead with teeth straightening, I was actually preparing myself to go through excruciating pain. Because most of my friends that wear braces told me I would regret it and it would hurt me. And we usually associate dentistry with pain as like, here's dentistry and here's pain. You know what I mean? Despite cleaning, I don't think there's another painless dental procedure, so I was even determined not to care about the pain. When you have a pleasing smile, when you're pleased with your smile, you're 100% confident all the time and you spread happiness all over the place, and I was really determined. I told myself that if I can go through whitening pain all the time, I could go through much more for having the alignment that I want to have. So I decided to go ahead with it straightening. I received my smile box and I received my aligners. I popped them in and guess what? Nothing happened. No pain. The only thing that I felt was a little bit of pressure for the first 5 to 10 hours with the aligners on, and that's all I ever felt. Is actually the only thing that I ever feel when I put a new set of aligners in. I just feel a little bit of pressure for the first hours that I wear it, and then nothing at all. My gums look perfectly fine, and I know I'm not gonna get stains, because when you have braces, you can get stains from bonding. I have a friend that has a stain on her incisors from the bonding they used. So I know I'm not gonna get stains. I'm not worried about anything right now. And another advantage of straightening your teeth with aligners is that, despite being invisible, is that okay, that is the biggest advantage. But another one is that you get some freedom. I mean, you know, your assigned dentist makes the plans, but you still get to make some decisions on your own. It's like, let me give you an example. It's like, today you wear the aligners for 24 hours, and tomorrow you got a party, and you can wear them for about 20 hours. No one cares. The only thing that you should worry about is that you gotta be on schedule to wear a set for 2 weeks. But despite that, you don't have to worry about anything. Plus, you're not pressed. You're not under pressure. You're never under pressure. It's like you get to take your own impressions. You open your mouth when you want to, as wide as you want to, if you know what I mean. So it's super cool, and it gives you self-confidence, and you should not miss it. So don't hesitate. Start your dental journey right now.